bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato, so shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grandpa perk. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or is it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, but that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm all mine.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know,
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary Hair, and today I'm reviewing this pre-cut deep wave unit from them. This is a 5x5 closure unit and it is 26 inches long. You guys already know if it ends in wave, I already like it. So this is a deep wave unit. It is so gorgeous, and the thing that I like about this pattern is the fact that it's not overwhelming. It has a lot of definition to it and it's just all around a gorgeous unit. And today you guys, I did something a little bit different and I did a zigzag part in this install because I've been doing a lot of middle parts and I was just like, let me play around with it a little bit today. So I added this zigzag part. I was thinking about putting concealer in my part, but I feel like you can see it just fine. I don't feel like I have to have it like that, but yeah, and I like the fact that it's still nice and flat. I was able to flatten it out just using a blow dryer and some foaming mousse, and it just looks absolutely amazing. And then I just added a little bit of baby hair in the front. And I also like the fact that, as you guys can see, this unit has a little bit of a layering effect to it. It has like these shorter pieces here in the front, and then it goes a little bit longer, so it's not just like one full length. So I do like that about it. The packaging didn't have the density on it, so I'm not sure the exact density for this unit, but I would definitely say that this is 200% density. If it is thinner than that, of course you guys know you can always check out that description box to, you know, get the details on that. But this isn't even all of the hair up front. This is just some of the hair up front. So I'm gonna put all the hair up front so you guys can really see the full density for this one because it's really full. So this is with all of it up front, okay? So I would say that this is definitely 200% density. It's very full, and it is still wet. So it's semi-wet right now. It's not even fully dry. So this is what it's giving, and it's just so gorgeous. And I like the fact that even if I do have all of the hair up front, it doesn't look like too much. You know, it doesn't look like I'm being swallowed up by my hair. So I really like that about it. And then look at the definition to this hair. I don't have any product on the hair other than the top. I did put product on the top, as you guys saw. And I put foaming mousse and the Got To Be gel, and that was just to keep the part down. But other than like that, the actual hair, I don't have any product on it. So this is the natural state of the hair. It's semi-wet at the moment. It's not even completely dry right now, but you guys can see what this hair is giving. It is absolutely amazing. It's such a beautiful texture. You guys love these type of units as well, so it's always a pleasure to bring them to you guys and put you guys onto some really good curly units, because I feel like that's like my thing. Like I love curly hair. So I love the fact that this unit is very much so a quick put on and go. You don't have to do too much to it to make it look amazing. And also I like the fact that it has like a scallop cut on the lace. Like it's a pre-cut lace unit, but it's not like the lace that's like straight across. Like it's a scallop cut, so it melted perfectly. As you guys can, I'm gonna actually just zoom in so you guys can see the lace and everything since I'm talking about it. But yeah, it has a scallop cut lace, which is the perfect thing. I don't know who came up with that, but I think I might have to buy me like some scallop shaped scissors like online. I don't know if I need to go to a craft store or what. Maybe I need to go to Michael's or something and get those kind of scissors, and I'm gonna start using those for my lace instead of just using, you know, regular old scissors, because it really does make a difference and it gives you more of an undetectable look for your lace. So I'm gonna come up a little bit closer so you guys can see, you know, what that is giving. Okay you guys, so here is an up close look at everything, and I turned the brightness down so you guys can really get into the lace. So like I said, this is a 5x5 closure unit. I did put, you know, a little bit of baby hair here, nothing too crazy, and you guys can see right here I don't have anything going on right there, and it still looks really good. I think I want to do the pull up and down test, but I don't want to, like, I put gel on my baby hair, so I feel like it's gonna like mess it up a little bit, so I'm not gonna do that. But you guys saw earlier before I did any baby hair that you can just lift this up and down. Oh, and that's the other thing I almost forgot to talk about. The fit on this unit is perfect. I love the fact that they have the elastic band in this unit, but it's sewn in, so you don't have to worry about it like undoing itself, because you guys know I had an issue with that with another company's unit, and I was just so upset about it because I really liked the unit, but I just could not get with the, you know, the elastic band coming in and out. So I like the fact that this company sewed it in, and it's such the perfect unit, because, you know, certain units I can't always do the glueless thing, but this one, it was perfect. I love the fit to this. So this is what it's looking like though. And here's also an up close look at my part. You know, it's a zigzag part. It's, you know, maybe not the most perfect zigzag part, but I got the job done nonetheless. And like I said, I did unplug it, so it's definitely on the fuller side, but I don't mind that. Like, I don't mind it, because even like right here, like I didn't pluck it, but look how perfectly like thin it is. It's not like doing too much. I feel like my baby hair is messed up right here somewhere. So you get all this space in the front for your parting space. So I really do like the fact that this is a full 5x5 and it has such a deep part. And that's why I was able to do like this really deep like zigzag part with it. Cause you know, like with certain units, like the closure is like so short, so it's like you can't really do too much with it. But I love this one. And once again, here's an up close look at the texture. Such a gorgeous texture. Like, they really did their thing with this one. Let's go ahead, stand up, do my little 360 so you guys can see, you know, the length of this unit, where it's hitting on me and all that goodness. And for reference, I am 5'2", so if you guys want to know like where we hit on you, I'm 5'2". I'm definitely on the shorter side, so a lot of these units definitely look a lot longer on me. If you're a lot taller, then you know it's gonna look shorter on you. But let's get into it. So this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. Okay, and this is where it's hitting me in the back. Okay, let me drop it down low a little bit so y'all can see. Okay, closer look up front again so you guys can see the curls on here. I just love this texture. Like I said, this is a deep wave 26-inch unit. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And then I'm gonna sit down and turn around so you guys can see like from the top to bottom. Absolutely love this unit, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna love this one too. So if you want to give it a try and you want to check it out, definitely check on the description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you guys still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Ashimary Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.